In the heartbeat of nature, few creatures burn brighter and faster than the hummingbird. This is a life lived in overdrive, where a single heart beats more than 200 times per minute. I'm Venant, and today on Untamed Narratives, we uncover the breathtaking world of the hummingbird. A creature so small yet so powerful, it challenges what we know about endurance, energy, and the miracle of life itself. Watch till the end. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you love discovering nature's untold stories. Hummingbirds belong to the family Trochilidae, a dazzling group of over 360 species found primarily across the Americas, from Alaska's cold forests to the tropical Andes. These tiny birds thrive wherever flowers bloom, rainforests, mountain slopes, even desert oases, chasing nectar in an eternal dance with color and light. Every flap of its wings, up to 80 beats per second, keeps this tiny heart racing, driving a metabolism faster than any other warm-blooded animal on Earth. At barely 5 grams, a hummingbird's body is an engineering masterpiece. Its wings rotate in full circles, allowing it to hover, fly backward, even upside down. And beneath those shimmering feathers lies a heart so large it makes up almost 2.5% of the bird's total body weight, proportionally the biggest heart in the animal kingdom. That heart pumps blood so fast that oxygen reaches muscles in seconds, powering endless flight and keeping the bird alive even as it burns energy at a pace that would kill most creatures. Each day, a hummingbird visits over 1,000 flowers, feeding every 10-15 minutes just to survive. Their metabolism is so intense that they consume half their body weight in sugar daily. And at night, they perform a small miracle, a biological shutdown known as torpor. During torpor, the hummingbird's heartbeat slows from 1,200 beats per minute to just 50, conserving precious energy until sunrise revives its fiery life once more. The hummingbird's long, forked tongue is a precision tool, flicking up to 15 times per second, drawing nectar through tiny grooves by capillary action. But their diet isn't all sweetness. They also hunt tiny insects and spiders, crucial for protein and survival. Every meal fuels that unstoppable engine, a heart that never rests, a body that dances on the edge of exhaustion and grace. A mother hummingbird builds her nest, no larger than a walnut shell, soft, elastic, and hidden among leaves. She raises her chicks alone, feeding them a blend of nectar and insects until their own hearts begin to race to nature's tempo. But their brilliance is fragile. Climate change, habitat loss, and pesticides threaten the flowers and insects they depend on. Conservationists now work to protect migration routes and native flora, ensuring these winged jewels continue to color our skies. Did you know a hummingbird's wings hum at a musical frequency? Or that some species migrate over 3,000 kilometers across the Gulf of Mexico? Thanks for watching our video. Tell us the animal name to follow. I am Venant. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.